Today, we will talk about search query analytics and reports in SharePoint Online. These data are among the most important KPIs in user engagement and adoption. This is important feedback about what's happening in your portal, what users were searching for, and whether or not they found it. You can also track how successful the changes you make to the portal are in terms of search and navigation. You can get all this information using SharePoint Analytics, which works not only with standard SharePoint search, but also tracks popular web parts like PNP Modern Search. The SharePoint Analytics solution is an amazing SaaS tool that provides you with powerful, out-of-the-box reports for any date range. Along with that, you get unlimited custom metrics and custom reporting capabilities. Let's see it in action. We open the SharePoint Analytics dashboard in Power BI and navigate to the search report. In the main table, we have search queries, number of searches, successful and abandoned searches, searches with no result, and how quickly searches have been processed. We can sort the table by clicking a column header and use a wide range of filters. The scope can be refined to a site collection, site, department, or specific user. As in all reports, you can obtain more detailed information using the drill through option. To do this, right-click on a search phrase, drill through, search term details. Here, we see information about each query with this term, who searched for it and when, the number of results they received, and how many clicks on those results were made. The search result ranking on the right helps you understand how well search results aligned with each user's query and intent. Let's return to the main report. Here, the bottom graph shows how often search is used over the selected period. What does search report allow us to evaluate and understand? For example, if you've noticed a sharp increase in the number of searches after editing content, it's likely that visitors have started experiencing difficulties navigating to the updated site. You can optimize your site so that popular content can be found without using search. Alternatively, you can promote the page in question in the search results to have it displayed at the top. You could make changes to the site and track user behavior, understanding how much easier it has become for them to obtain the necessary information. Besides search reports, you will also find usage statistics on visits and visitors, document usage, SharePoint performance, devices and operating systems, geolocation, and much more. And on top of that, custom events, reports, and metrics. You're welcome to try SharePoint Analytics using the sample data right now without a credit card required. If you would like to start a trial using your data, please refer to the Quick Start Guide. For more details, feel free to reach out to the SharePoint team and schedule a personal presentation at any convenient time.